3, 2, 1, action.
My name is Engineer Ivon FORTES. Welcome for another wonderful video. This time we're going to talk about data encapsulation and decapsulation, but from a TCP/IP model perspective. On my previous video, we did data encapsulation and decapsulation, but our fundamental base was the OSI model. Now, as you can see, there's a difference between the OSI model, which is a 7-layer model, compared to the TCP/IP model, which is a 4-layer model. So basically, there was a compactization of certain layers to create the TCP/IP model. All right. Now, it is very interesting how the data encapsulation is done from a TCP/IP perspective. So let's look at it. So the data encapsulation starts from the application layer. So basically, let's say we want to send a message, a data. Hello. So the first thing that's going to happen at the application layer is that the application layer is going to add a layer, a header. The header can be a protocol, can be FTP, can be HTTP, depending on which protocol is being used for that particular data. So now, let's say for example, we add an FTP header at the application layer. So when this segment, when this is sent down to the transport layer to create the segment, what happens is that we add a TCP, a transport layer, can be TCP or UDP header, is added to the data. Then this particular segment comes down to the internet layer, and the internet layer, the only thing the internet layer does, it adds an IP header to what? To the segment, and the segment becomes a packet. So this same packet goes down the stack to the network access layer, and the network access layer adds its own header to the segment to create what is called a frame. So let's look at it. So basically, the segment at the transport layer becomes a packet at the internet layer by adding an IP header to the segment. This is the segment, which came from this. And then down the network access layer, we have another header, the access layer header, added to the packet to create a frame. And then after that, transmission happens. At the receiving end, we are going to have what is known about the same layers, okay, the same layers and communication. So basically what's going to happen is that the network layer receives the frame, alright, and then start what? Start removing one by one. It's going to start removing headers. So let's look at it. It's going to be like this. So at the receiving end, first takes this out, send it up. This one takes it up, send it up. This one is going to take it up and boom, send it up, and then the data is received at the other end. That's the way it is, the process of encapsulation and decapsulation from the TCP/IP perspective. Thank you very much. My name is Engineer Ivon FORTES. See you soon for my next video.